my plan is to go somewhere. It's a horror place. I'll tell you about this place later. First let us go Domino's, then I will tell you. Yeah, so I'm in Domino's. Actually, today my plan was to go to D12 with my cousin. Actually, he told me he know a horror place in D12. It's kind of a tomb that's look horror from outside as well as inside, he told me. So I said, yeah man, let's go together. He said that we should go on early morning because it's summer days and once the sun is up, you're gonna heat up. So let's check out the scenes here and then here we go. Yeah, so my cousin did the closing and now we're gonna go to D12, you know, the horror tomb. So let's go. Yeah, so we have reached at the tomb and this is a mosque before the tomb and tomb is downstairs, so now we're gonna go downstairs. Let's go. So that was the entrance of the tomb. It was as horror as it looked like. It was dark in there, but I was able to shoot a video by turning the ISO high. Moving further, there was a tomb of water, and locals here usually tell you the story of a fish that lived here that turns into blood while touching and it suddenly disappears. Then we happily played badminton there, and after that, we went home. Yeah, so I came back and actually according to my opinion that place wasn't that much horror as, you know, my cousin described that it's a horror. It was a normal tomb. You can find the tomb like that everywhere in Pakistan. We enjoyed there. Actually I enjoyed seeing that old stuff, all that is 18th century. It was an 18th century tomb, so I enjoyed seeing that and all that. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe below, and peace out.